Our testing showed that you could replace 4 older servers with one new Supermicro server and save $2.8 million in total operating cost over 5 years, a savings of 61.8%. This is a direct result of the database performance boost we experienced with a new AMD EPYC 9475F processor-powered Supermicro H14 Hyper DP server. In some cases, shrinking your existing server footprint means you'll pay fewer per-core licensing fees and reduce the burden of maintaining outdated hardware on your IT staff. These savings, combined with a 47% reduction of power and cooling cost and improved energy efficiency with up to 65% better performance per watt, could help you make the most of your IT budget and free up your data center power budget for other initiatives, such as AI. When you're ready to take your business to the next level and greatly reduce operating cost, consider Supermicro H14 Hyper systems powered by AMD EPYC 9005 series processors. For a deeper dive into our testing and results, read the full report at principaltechnologies.com.